Today I'm making delicious tostadas de tinga. The way I make them was the way my mom showed me. I really hope you enjoy it, so stay tuned. The ingredients are chicken breast, 1 onion, lettuce, 1 roma tomato, 1 can of chipotle peppers, cotija cheese, crema mexicana, tostadas, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, and salt and pepper. We're gonna start off by cooking our chicken, and I put my pot on high heat. We're adding the chicken. It's already been pre-washed, and I'm just gonna add water until it covers it completely. I'm gonna be adding a piece of onion, the ground cumin, and salt and pepper. And we're gonna cover it. While I'm waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm gonna start grating the cheese. Next, I'm gonna chop the lettuce. Now we're gonna put it in here so that we can wash it. Now I'm gonna slice the rest of the onion. It's been about 50 minutes and I'm gonna check to see if our chicken is ready. And I'd say it is ready. It looks about ready. Okay. Just gonna throw in this tomato because that's what we're gonna be using for the sauce. And then we'll cover it up for another 5 minutes. The 5 minutes are up. We're gonna take out the chicken. In the blender cup, we're gonna be adding the tomato and the chicken broth. Just the broth, we won't be adding the onion. I forgot to mention in the ingredients that I'm gonna be adding 2 garlic cloves. It's gonna go in with the broth and the tomato. Then we're gonna add some of the chipotle peppers. Keep in mind that you're gonna be adding as much as you want. It's depending on how spicy you want the tinga. I like it really spicy, so I'm gonna be adding most of the can. And then we're gonna add the chicken bouillon, and now we blend. Now it's time to shred the chicken. The skin is optional. I like to leave the skin in because my kids love the skin. So you can either keep it or throw it out. Okay, so now I'm using a fork because I was burning my fingers earlier. Ni modo. I tried. No, el hueso se lo quito. I get rid of the bone. Our chicken is all shredded. I added some oil to my skillet because we're gonna be frying the onion and the chicken. We're gonna be adding the onion first. Next, we're gonna add the chicken. Fry it for a little bit. It's been frying for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's looking a little toasted. So that's perfect for me, and now I'm gonna add the sauce. Now that I've added the sauce, this is a perfect time where you can check to see if you need salt or more chicken bouillon. For me, this is perfect. Now we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, I left it simmering for about 10 minutes, and this is how it should look. It smells so good. Ahora sí, time to make our tostadas. I'm gonna be using Guerrero tostadas. These are one of my favorite ones. Or sometimes what I do is I'll make my own tostadas, but today, Guerrero it is.
You're being lazy.
Yeah. I'm gonna be adding some crema mexicana on the bottom. We're gonna add some tinga. You can see my tinga, it's juicy. That's how I like it. There's others that like it less juicy. I like it with lots of juice and a lot of onion as well. Now we're gonna add some lettuce. And the last part is some quesito cotija. And that's it. Ahora sí. Está súper rica. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you try these tostadas. They're delicious. They're a bit on the spicy side, but that's just because I love spicy. So I hope you enjoy it. Give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.